Slachthuisdistrict Haarlem Apartments by vanOmmeren-architecten in Haarlem, the Netherlands. New neighborhood around the former Haarlem Slaughterhouse. The Slachthuisdistrict is a new neighborhood in Haarlem with the monumental slaughterhouse as its centerpiece. A neighborhood where living and working are combined alongside a pop school and catering, amidst a climate-adaptive public space. A layered plan, in close collaboration between VOA, vanOmmeren Associates, ZUS, Zones Urbaines Sensibles, and Hans van Heeswijk architects, a layered plan has been created with a matryoshka-like structure. The transformed slaughterhouse is centrally located on the new city square. A 400-meter-long pergola borders the square and marks the transition to the front gardens of the houses. Collective rooftop gardens are located in the residential buildings. Much attention has been paid to the design of the transitions between the different levels of the plan. Diverse housing typologies. The Slachthuisdistrict is a neighborhood for everyone, which is why a large diversity of homes has been created. Within the municipal framework for 120 single typology row houses, 162 homes have been created with a wide variety in size and typology. This forms the basis for an inclusive neighborhood. Collective elements such as the transparent building entrance stairwells, playful rooftop gardens, and distinctive pergolas have been employed as a cohesive force for the new neighborhood. In the masonry architecture on the outside of the residential buildings, the robustness of the monumental slaughterhouse resonates. Around the collective rooftop garden on the inside of the buildings, there is an informal world where residents meet each other. Inspired by the surrounding working-class neighborhood, great attention has been given to the design around the housing entrances. Car-free neighborhood. The starting point in the design was to minimize the dominance of cars in the public space as much as possible. Street parking is located at the edges of the plan. Parking garages are situated under the collective gardens in the buildings. The square is designed as a shared space, where only the logistics of the pop school and the northern units are welcome. The zigzag pattern of the square's pavement makes it a connecting carpet, intended for hosting meetings, playing sports and games, and hosting events. Sustainable living. Climate adaptability and ecology play a significant role in the plan. An integrated plan of water and vegetation structures contributes to climate adaptation and creates a new habitat for a diverse variety of birds, insects, and mammals. Nest boxes are integrated into the masonry facades, taking their design cues from the type of facade vegetation that is provided. Even though the greenery has not yet been fully planted, the large recesses in the square around the slaughterhouse show where water retention has been organized. Vegetative facades and edges of the plan are also used for water buffering. The integrated water system ensures that rainwater is retained, can be utilized, can infiltrate, and when necessary, is discharged. This way, each home has its water tap for rainwater, which enhances the awareness of water in the neighborhood. Additionally, the application of solar panels, heat and cold storage, and the facilitation of shared cars and cargo bikes make for a sustainable and future-proof addition to the city.